Hi, y'all, it's me. I'm here to share a project with you. Actually, I made this a while back and posted it on my Instagram account, but I forgot to make a YouTube video, so I figured I was sitting around this morning doing not too much, so I figured I better jump on here and share because it's so cute and you'll see it's perfect for the upcoming holidays if you want to take the time to try to find the dye at this time. But I purchased this dye last year. It's from the paper Discovery, and it's called Diorama Elegant Ornament Die Set. And I'll put that up here so you can read it again, right there. And what it makes is a snow globe, and there's other parts you can buy for it. I just want to show you something about the die before I actually show you what I created, because it might concern you when you go to look at this die, if it's going to work for you. And the reason I say that is because these dies, all of these pieces that are here, these will all fit in your regular die cutting machine, like your Big Shot or whatever. This one, however, is really long, and don't want it to discourage you. You can use a long cutting plate in your Big Shot, or if you watch the video on how to put this together, and if I remember, I'll try to link that below, but if you watch that video, she shows you that you just put this halfway through your regular die cutting machine and then you turn it around to the other half. So you don't really need to have a machine that handles a bigger die to do this. So for this project, I used that die, and I used Snow and Cocoa, which I'm on a Snow and Cocoa craze right now. I just love this collection. It's one of those collections that's timeless. I think they should bring it back. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, I use the Snow and Cocoa collection. I use some of these diamond dots that Joanne sells. And you can also get these things on Amazon. And then my friend Davina sent me with a purchase of some rosettes. She sent me these tiny little ephemera pieces, and I think I've shared those with you. I have in other videos, so I'll link all the stuff down below. Anyhow, let me show you what I created, and it's this tiny little snow globe. It is the cutest thing ever. It is see-through. You can make this in many ways. It doesn't have to be see-through. It doesn't have to have a cover on it. It could be just a display. There's so many ways to put this together. But anyhow, as you can see here, it's really cute all the way around. I made it into a shaker, so there's shaker bits down in there too. And I took all those little pieces that I got from Davina, and I used them in various places here. Those back there, I believe, were puffy stickers. I just put some cornstarch on the back so they wouldn't be sticky anymore. And I believe that's from the die cuts. I can't remember because it's been a little while. I glued some of the snowflakes onto the acetate in the back. And then those diamond dots, I put them all one by one all the way around. I added this pom-pom trim. I made these tiny little flowers with some punches I have, and then these snowflakes happen to be from Hobby Lobby. And then again, I did the diamond dots one by one along the bottom. But it is just so cute. This is a tiny bow die that I have in my stash. I got it from Allie a long time ago. And this is just such a cute little display. You know, when you look at this, don't only think though of Christmas. You can use this anytime. You can make them for any holiday, any event, baby showers, birthdays, whatever, just by decorating it differently for your needs. So anyhow, that's all I wanted to share with you this morning. Just thought it was cute enough to get it out there, and maybe you want to try to find this die. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.